Have a good day, everyone. I'm here to the new house, new land for building the house. And we brought some small trees here to plant on that area, maybe. So I do not know. These are papaya. So this is sweet papaya, actually, very good papaya. And I have this plant coconut tree, small yet, and this aracanut tree, and some mangoes, and tulasi, they call that tulasi or holy basil, and yeah, some gumamela hibiscus. I have different kind of small mango saplings here. So these are different varieties. And yet I don't know where to plant this. Maybe this side or on that area. We were planning. I just trimmed this tree and it looks like Christmas tree triangle. Okay, it's high, so I cannot trim on top. Yeah, but for the meantime, this is okay. This is a normal small tree here. It grows up here. So I do not know what kind of tree is this. But I told them not to cut it because it looks beautiful. And it looks like a Christmas tree. You just decorate it with lights. And it looks so good. Wow, so nice to refresh here. Fresh air.